Welcome to Life in Cosmic Chronicles. Why does your stomach growl like a beast? Stomach growls aren't hunger pangs, it's gas and liquid sloshing in your empty gut. Peristalsis waves squeeze air and food remnants through intestines like a water balloon, loudest 3 to 4 hours after eating when stomach's mostly empty. Hormones like ghrelin trigger hunger signals, but the rumble? Pure physics of trapped bubbles vibrating. X-ray view shows gut muscles rippling constantly. Babies growl too, survival instinct to eat. Next time it growls, pause this video, sip water to fill the chamber, watch it vanish instantly. Come back and comment, "It worked, test it now." Mind blown? Subscribe for more body secrets.